So here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and once you've entered all the information, and let me tell you guys, do make sure you enter all the correct information so it can give you a plan based on what you want. And once you've entered all the information correct, you pretty much will be given an option to generate your plan, and they will give you a workout plan so you can achieve what you want. As you can see here, this is pretty much the one option, and I can go ahead and start training. And yeah, it's a very, very good application. And as you can see here, a lot of other workouts that I got to do as well. So it's a 28 day of full body fat burning plan I'll be going through, but based on the information that you have entered, it will be different for you. And at the top, you may see a fire icon here, which pretty much keeps a track of your streaks. Nothing much for that. In the discovery section, you can also see other workout plans which you can do as well, not just the plan that I've given you. You can work out, let's see, here you have a lot of them. All you have to do is just scroll and look through all of these. Some of them you may see VIP on them. That means you're going to need a subscription to get access to those workout plans. Here you have the activity section. We'll just keep track of your body, calories, and as well workouts. Nothing much. And also the workouts that you have done. So in the progress option here as well, we'll keep track of your workouts, how consistent you have been, the weights, and everything basically. And it will also give you a calendar as it relates to how often you have worked out. So very good application if you want to get fit. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And to get their subscription, all you have to do is tap on the progress option here, then tap on this here where it says newcomer gift option. Just tap on the join option here. You'll be able to see their subscription page. They do offer a 7 days free trial. But here you get a prices, you can see the price here of about $3 monthly subscription and $30 more here the subscription. But they do give you a 7 days free trial if it's the first time you're using the application. So that's really pretty much it. If I missed anything at all, please comment below. I'd love to help out. See you in the next one.